battery replacement on the Chicago electronic faucet. There's that set screw right there. That also turns it off so you can leave the angle stops on. It's like a magnet. If it does have this handle, you do have to take this off to replace the battery and all the parts. Some of them come with the preset temperature and a cap right here. This one doesn't, so I'll have to undo that screw and that screw. So I got the handle off. Basically comes off like that. This piece is in still. You'll know if you get it a couple threads in, it's just a magnet. As soon as that comes out, it's deactivated, which it wasn't working anyways because the battery was dead. Just give it a winkle. Old battery. It's a 223A. So I'm just gonna drop the new one in and repeat the steps that I did to take it off. Doing another Chicago faucet. Had low pressure. Originally thought it was the aerator. Just took it off. It's actually clean. We have the vandal proof, so we need this key to take that off. Next up, the only thing, got a couple things left, but it's more than likely the solenoid's clogged up. There's also a basket on it, kind of like this aerator. If this isn't the problem, then it's more than likely the angle stops clogged up, broken, or whatever. There's a couple screws in there. There's one right there. It's easier to get the cartridge out. I was able to do it. I don't recommend it though. So anyways, the low blood pressure was from sediment. As you can see, it's really, really dirty. We do have metal shavings in here too. So I'm gonna clean this all up. I can clean this, I shouldn't need to replace it. And then we'll snap it back in and see if we have normal pressure again. It was literally just dripping out on hot and cold, So cleaning it did bring the flow back. We got full flow again, both hot and cold. Solenoid's clean. The only problem is sometimes when you do clean, you disrupt it. You actually push stuff into the solenoid and then you'll notice you'll get a drip. That means there's something stuck in that solenoid and it's staying slightly open. Usually I'll try to clean it one more time. If it's still dripping, then I just replace it. But most of the time I can get it. So ta-da, works perfect. All we gotta do is clean the solenoid out and put a new battery in it just because I was already in there. But this one's about 5 years old, still working very well, so